Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to control who can interact with you on Threads? Today, I'll show you how to block and unblock users on Threads easily. Step 1. Open User Profile. Launch the Threads app and go to the user's profile. You can find them from your feed or by searching their username. Step 2. Open Options menu. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. This will show you account actions like block and report. Step 3. Block the user tap. Block from the menu options. Then tap Block again to confirm your action. Before we continue, tap subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Phonie's step-by-step guides. Unblock someone on Threads. Step 4. Go to your profile. Open Threads and tap your profile icon. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Step 5. Open Privacy Settings. Select Privacy from the Settings menu. This is where your blocked list is stored. Step 6. View Blocked Profiles. Tap on Blocked Profiles to see all blocked users. You'll find a list of accounts you've blocked. Step 7. Unblock User Tap. Unblock next to the person's name. Confirm again to remove them from your blocked list. Step 8. Important note. If you blocked someone you followed, they'll be unfollowed automatically. After unblocking, you'll need to follow them again manually. And that's how you can block or unblock users on Threads. Subscribe for more smart and practical tech tutorials.